That's my fight, punk! Yeah!
A lie so long, it's hard for you to accept the truth, right? Then when you hear the truth, right? That's the way I act now, alone, you know what I mean, against an individual, you know what I mean? And maybe if I look at that and just start showing love, like you ain't get better, and just start loving, just that the other, maybe things will get better. Ain't no maybe, it will get better. We will start to help each other out, things of that nature, right? And guess what? On that segment, I'm gonna drag it a whole step forward. See, when you get a community, right? The community is set up, right, for people to grow and to learn from each other, right, and to take their next step in life. However, a community is only generating funds that is raised in the community, right? But when you have a group of people that is given the right to come into your community, grab businesses in your community and set it up, you know what I mean, and they're liking it and sell products to you, so now they taking your money out the community and taking it to their community. And we wonder why our community is in shambles today. Because all of our dollars is being taken out. You know what I mean? It seems like we're just used as modern day slavery. You know what I mean? Instead of picking cotton. We're not picking cotton. We're putting our money into cotton pockets now. You know what I mean? Of the other way. All of our money goes out of our community and generates somewhere else. We don't have our own banks. We don't have nothing that could say that we can claim this as earners.
So what you saying, we still modern day slavery?
Firstly, like, you know what I mean, it's a fact. You know what I mean? I say, like, look at this. For instance, they come up with a side to say hope. Just say, keep hope alive. Keep hope alive. Nah, well, when I seen the actions of the people that came to got us, they didn't hope that they give us this. They wouldn't took it. Just take it. They don't hope to love it. Take it. Because see, if we keep on channeling on that theory of hope will get better. You know what I mean? That's the only thing that's keeping you happy because you're hoping to get better. When all nationality, it's not getting better. It's not gonna get better unless we take a stand. Like for instance, I'm not saying that it was a good thing the way when the brother, I mean, when that European put his knee on the brother's neck and was choking to death. What came out of that? People stood up and started rioting, breaking in things, this, that, and the other. You know what? Got their attention then because they wouldn't took stuff. You know what I mean? People just wouldn't took shit that they should have. Then they said, hold up, you ain't gotta take it no more. We're gonna give you something. Oh, you hear me now? You know what I mean? Because in the beginning, we was hoping that y'all come in and do something for us then, but you didn't. So we had to go take it. See what I'm saying? That's what happened.
I'm saying it's nothing new under the sun. It's like everything in time repeats itself, and the only thing they respect is fire. Like they burned this shit down before. Then when they start burning shit again, and that's when they start to listen to us and all that
shit. And yo, and look, man.
Nigga get smoked, that's a loss for my city. They keeping scores in my city. Ain't no loyalty, get backdoored in my city. It's crazy how my city ever with this black cloud. All these guns inside the clouds, they sipping on the pot downs. I guess Rocky be that way, cause they ain't sipping act now. 223s inside their handguns, they shooting Mac round. And the further social media just making it worse. So,
hey, that probably take him.
That shit on TNT.
fuck a